Happy New Year! What's up? It's Chris the Drone Geek, and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Drones. Let's Talk Drones is brought to you by The Droning Company, the #1 online resource for commercial remote pilots based in the United States. Make sure you check them out online at thedroningcompany.com and across all major social media platforms. And if you haven't already, make sure you cast your votes for the Droning Company Awards 2023. That's right, for every vote that you cast in the Droning Company Awards, you'll receive one entry for a chance to win a DJI Mini 4 Pro, courtesy of Florida Drone Supply. Go to thedroningcompany.com for more details. So I'll be honest, I don't really have anything to talk to you about in the world of drones. What I want to do is wish you and yours a very happy and safe New Year holiday, no matter how you choose to celebrate, whether it's with friends, family, somewhere in between, or just doing something you really love to do by yourself. I hope you have an enjoyable and safe New Year holiday. Let's start 2024 off on a positive note. We got lots of cool stuff to look forward to in 2024. We've got some more reviews on the DJI Mini 4 Pro for those of you that got it for Christmas. I've got lots more to talk about with it, including a giveaway of FreeWell camera filters for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. A lucky winner in 2024 will win these camera filters for the Mini 4 Pro, so keep watching my review videos on the Mini 4 Pro as well as my review video on these filters for your chance to enter to win 16 camera filters for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. On top of that, we're also moving into a new studio in 2024. I've already teased that in a previous video, and I'm really excited about moving into that new studio because that'll give us a chance to jumpstart the LTD podcast once again and get that going more consistently so I can introduce you to the greatest minds and influences in the world of drones. And last, but certainly not least by any stretch of the imagination, I'm gonna try to not get emotional because this is like take 8 or 9 at this point. I want to thank you for your support. This has been an extremely humbling journey in that when I started my YouTube channel and really started to upload drone content seriously with the intention of growing it the way that we have grown it, I could never have imagined in a million years how much work it was going to take to do this right and to grow it the way that I wanted to grow it. I've been afforded a lot of opportunities because of the success of this channel, and I'm going to continue to be afforded opportunities in 2024 that I've already sort of got in mind and I know about ahead of time because of the success of the Drone Geek. And it is not lost on me for a moment that I could not do that without you. These opportunities would not be afforded to me without you and without your continued support. So whether you've been with me since day one or you just joined the channel this week, thank you so much for all of the support that you've shown me. I hope that I can continue to knock it out of the park for you in 2024 and bring more and more growth to this channel so we can do cooler and cooler stuff. Ultimately, the goal is to get to a point where I can do this just all the time, full time, and live off of it and inject money into it and do cooler and cooler stuff with drones and experiment more and travel more. That's the goal. And I know that I can't get there without you. So please know, every single day I wake up in the morning, every single day I sit down to start doing something for YouTube, I'm thinking about you. When I use the word we to describe you and me in this channel, it's not some psychological ploy to get you more invested in my content. It's not some marketing gimmick. I truly do view you. And I know that by saying you, there's thousands of you out there potentially watching this. You're along with me. You're along with me. And we're experiencing this together. So enough sentimentality. I held it together pretty well there. I just know, thank you very much, and I appreciate all of the support you've shown me to this point, and I cannot wait to do more together in 2024 and beyond. I'll also be honest with you, I'm gonna do a highlight reel here, just sort of showing the things that we've done in 2023, but I didn't get to fly my drone a whole lot this year. I had opportunities, and I'll share those with you here in just a moment, but it's not gonna be quite as deep as past highlight reels that I've done for specific areas or years or whatever the case may be. So just buckle up. It's gonna be a very quick ride, but a fun ride. And again, thank you so much for 2023. Let's kill it in 2024. Until next time, I'm Chris, the Drone Geek, and I am out of here. See you next year.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
dawn is something new. We'll look back on days and memories, look forward to what's to come. So when this year ends, I don't need no plans, just a room full of people I love. Watch the fireworks, I kiss my love beneath the stars. Think about all that's here and now and all that could be ours. Raise a glass to the ones who passed and the lives that just begun. Leave the past in the past and be glad the new year's come. The new year's come. The new year's come. The new year's come. The new year's come.